Now, moving on to the next section, which focuses on GitHub Copilot agents. Here, we'll explore several key elements including agent mode, the coding agent, MCP servers, and Copilot spaces. These components play a crucial role in how GitHub Copilot functions and integrates within development environments. Additionally, we'll touch on the GitHub Copilot certification, labeled as GH300, which likely covers essential knowledge and skills related to using Copilot agents effectively. Understanding these elements will give us deeper insight into the operational framework and potential certifications around GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot's agent mode takes this tool to a whole new level by acting as an autonomous developer assistant. Unlike traditional code suggestion tools, agent mode can independently handle complex, multi-step tasks right inside your IDE. It's capable of editing multiple files, running terminal commands, and refining its own work iteratively. One of the standout features is multi-file editing. Rather than just updating a single file, it can create, modify, and delete multiple files across your entire project to ensure the task is completed thoroughly. It also executes terminal commands on its own, such as running builds, tests, and installing packages, so you don't have to switch contexts or handle these manually. Agent mode is smart about iterative problem solving. It reviews its own output, detects issues, and corrects itself without needing you to step in, which saves a lot of back-and-forth time. Another powerful capability is its integration with MCP tools, allowing it to interact with external services and APIs seamlessly. It's also deeply context-aware. Before making any changes, it understands your project structure, dependencies, and coding patterns to ensure its actions fit naturally within your existing code base. Finally, it supports a collaborative workflow by showing you its plan and asking for your confirmation before performing any major or potentially destructive operations, keeping you in control throughout the process. The GitHub Copilot coding agent is an autonomous AI tool designed to streamline the development workflow by fully automating pull request creation and task completion. It can take a GitHub issue, understand what's needed, write the necessary code changes, generate tests, and open a pull request, all with very little human input. What's impressive is that it operates entirely in the cloud, making the process seamless and efficient. The workflow starts with issue assignment, where you assign a GitHub issue to the Copilot agent. It reads and comprehends the task requirements to get a clear understanding. Next, during the planning phase, the agent analyzes the code base, identifies which files are relevant, and creates a detailed implementation plan. After that, the agent moves into code implementation, writing changes across multiple files while ensuring it follows existing coding patterns and conventions. Then, it automatically generates unit tests to verify that the new functionality works as expected. Once the code and tests are ready, the agent creates a comprehensive pull request. This PR includes a clear description, test results, and a summary of all changes made. Finally, the human developer steps in to review the pull request, providing feedback and either approving it or requesting further changes. This collaboration between AI and humans helps maintain quality while accelerating development. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, servers play a crucial role in extending GitHub Copilot's capabilities beyond the code editor. Essentially, MCP is an open standard that enables Copilot to connect with a variety of external tools, APIs, databases, and services. This connection allows Copilot to interact with real-world systems and access live data, making its suggestions contextually richer and more relevant. For example, through database queries, MCP helps Copilot retrieve schema information, which enables it to generate accurate SQL and ORM code tailored to your specific database structure. When it comes to APIs, MCP supports integration with REST and GraphQL endpoints, allowing Copilot to understand how these APIs work and generate the right integration code seamlessly. MCP also enhances file system access, enabling Copilot to read and write files outside the immediate workspace. This broader context helps in handling larger projects more effectively. Additionally, with web search capabilities, Copilot can look up documentation, packages, or code examples on the internet, improving the quality of its suggestions. Issue tracking integration means Copilot can connect to platforms like GitHub Issues or Jira, helping it comprehend task requirements and provide more targeted assistance. Finally, MCP supports CI/CD integration, letting Copilot interact with build systems, run tests, and monitor deployment statuses, which streamlines the development and deployment process. This certification, GH300, ensures that these integrations meet GitHub standards for reliability and security. Together, these features make the Model Context Protocol a powerful extension for Copilot, significantly enhancing its usefulness in real-world development environments. GitHub Copilot Spaces are collaborative AI-powered workspaces designed specifically for teams. Launched in May 2025, these spaces are persistent and shareable, allowing teams to work together seamlessly around specific topics, codebases, or projects. One of the standout features is their ability to remember context across sessions, which means information and progress are maintained over time. Unlike regular chat tools, Copilot Spaces keep context and knowledge consistent, even as multiple team members contribute. This persistent context ensures that everyone stays on the same page without losing important details. In these spaces, multiple developers can collaborate in real time, sharing both knowledge and AI-assisted insights. You can also configure each space with custom instructions tailored to your project's specific needs, making the AI assistance highly relevant and personalized. A key benefit is knowledge sharing. You can pin important code snippets, documentation, and context that Copilot should always consider while assisting. This helps keep critical information easily accessible to the entire team. Additionally, spaces are topic-focused, allowing you to create separate environments for different projects, teams, or technical areas. This organization improves workflow and clarity. Finally, Copilot Spaces integrate directly with GitHub repositories, issues, and pull requests, providing full project context and streamlining your development process. Overall, Copilot Spaces offer a powerful new way for teams to collaborate more effectively with AI support.